Hello students, I will continue with the chapter Agriculture in India. So in this video I will start with the wheat. So wheat is also known as the winter crop in India because in India wheat is grown during the time of the winter, that is why it is known as the winter crop. Okay, so let us see what are the conditions required for the cultivation of the wheat. The first thing that is required is the climatic conditions. So the climatic condition is being divided into two portions, that is temperature and the rainfall. So this wheat actually requires a moderately cool climate with a moderate rainfall. So that is why it is basically grown in the time of the winter season. So the temperature it requires is about 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius for this cultivation purpose. It also thrives well in the at an average temperature of this 16 degree Celsius. The warm sunny weather is specifically required or essential during the time of ripening. Next is the rainfall. The wheat requires a rainfall of about 50 to 100 centimeter during the growing season. Too much of this rainfall is very much injurious for the plant. Light rainfall is suitable for the cultivation of the wheat crop. Next point is the land. So the wheat cultivation requires a alluvial level plain land. It is very much ideal for this wheat cultivation. Slightly rolling, well drained plains are also suitable. Next is the soil. So the wheat requires a fertile alluvial soil. Sometimes the clay loamy soils or even the black soils are suitable for the cultivation of the wheat. The soil should retain moisture, and certain amount of the lime is also required. Next is the agricultural labor. So the cultivation of the wheat requires cheap labor, which is very much essential for carrying out the cultivation. Apart from this, there are other factors also. The wheat is a rabi crop and it requires irrigation during the time of the growth. Next is the HYV seeds like the Sonera 63, Sona 229 have been used to increase the average yield per hectare. Next, application of the fertilizers and pesticides is needed for the proper growth of the plant. Next, the main area apart from this is the capital and port facilities along with the market. So this are also required. Capital is required for the buying of the products and different products which are required for the cultivation purpose. Port is important for this import and export of the finished good and other machineries. And the last one, that is the market, is also required for selling the product. So there are many area, means the main area where this wheat production is done is the Uttar Pradesh, Punjab region, Punjab Haryana region, then Madhya Pradesh, MP region. So Uttar Pradesh is actually the largest producer of the wheat. The important districts of these are Meerut, Saharanpur, etc. Punjab ranks second over here. So this Uttar Pradesh ranks first in the production of the wheat. Then is the Punjab. This is the Punjab region, and next is the Haryana region, which occupies the third place based on the production of the wheat. The next crop is the cotton. So cotton is essentially one of the tropical crop, but it is grown in the subtropical regions also. So the climatic conditions that are required for the cotton cultivation is that the temperature should remain between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Abundant sunshine is necessary during the time of the growth. Next is the rainfall. Rainfall, it requires an average rainfall between 50 centimeter to 80 centimeter in the areas of low rainfall. Cotton are grown with the help of the irrigation system. Next is the land. The well drained land is required or ideal for the cotton production because the plant cannot tolerate the water logging. Next is the soil. The light alluvial soil, or which is rich in the lime content, or the black lava soil, is ideal for the growth of this cotton. So the soil which is available in the Deccan region, that is the redwood soil, is very much suitable for the cultivation of the cotton because it has got the high water retaining capacity. Next is the labor. Cheap labor is required, or plenty of the cheap labor is needed for the cotton cultivation, and the cooperative leaders labors also, as most of the works in the field are done by the hand. So the cheap labor is required for doing the work like picking the cotton balls, then the processing, pressing and packaging. So other factors that are there is that HYB variety seeds are also used, like the name of them are Sujata, then MCU5, MCU4 are some of the high yielding varieties of the seeds which are used for raising the yield of the cotton per hectare. So now let us see the main area of the distribution. So the cotton grows specifically in the western section and some central portion of the India. So the main centers that are grown over here are this Gujarat, then Gujarat, then Punjab region, then Maharashtra region. These are the leading states for the production of the cotton. So the Cotton Research Institute is located in Nagpur in Maharashtra. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue the rest of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.